California ki je ga to chomi ma wish ra pesha ani taste de shwe chambala wa ani karde la pesha karde la taste de manji yuri ka yu lo ma wish dor da ma tu da ya karo dor da ya ga de ngi ma ji la ki pradhan de ta de karde la chikame na da chisu da
tri karla por ta mo tu San Francisco ne so yu unche mo tu pradhan jab jo so wa gi mo to ya tinde movie so je TCV ki lok tu so yi be ne re khantar mo tu pepal ya so sha jorwa de le ya jab jo so ne u do se je nge to mo chambala re kamathile la re ko ki ji mi ji chab to je ya wo re che che so ma na shi ta mo tu de lo to ba chimba
lo
kana shi ke de sa ne ele ne ya kras ma guj pesha lo nge pe ma si tu che shwe yi kain sna ngaran zo ki TCV chi guj mare Tibetan Children Village Tibetan light mo zo wa mo zo ki jab jo ma ji na ani chingye de mi shi ma yu ma ba
yeah correct
tin du ga ne mo so sa cha kawai ne mo sang me ro a jab jo che to de chi khaso re jab jo ki na wa che che mo so sang ma thoko nyum ko zom che de le de ele ya movie ki premier de ya le to wa chu so ani pe ga wo chung shwe ti che na
ga de la de ga de chong so de say few words like just yeah why this movie is important and why we are here
ani ming che de ga se ge ye ani ga ka de California ki movie talk to you and then nga de DCB si mo dia ko chi so na sha ndi je ga yong bi ka lo si bu so na ni to ja na shu ga yong
la so de la ka di che oh the movie the movie is called Others Before Self. Screening at the Regal Theater downtown Los Angeles, and the movie is about the Tibetan Children Village in Dharamasala, and the director is here, Mr. Seth. So I will take a short interview from him.
Five sharp. That's 15 I'm trying to delay, right? So 5 sharp maybe, and I'm trying to get him to just push it down a little.
Another question is, do you want to do Q&A afterward?
Yeah, we'll talk for a few minutes afterwards. Did you get your...
Yeah, I did.
Mark has a room at the back of an Irish pub.
Do you have something to say about this movie?
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's go out here and I'll take my mask off.
Okay, introduce yourself.
Yes, Others Before Self. This is an incredible movie. It showcases the Tibetan community, particularly the TCV school in Upper Dharamasala, and it's an important message for the world about how to be compassionate. It's about peace, and it's about nonviolence, and it's about all the things that the world needs right now. And it's also a realization and publicity for the world to know the terrible suffering that the Tibetans have been subjected to by the communist Chinese, and how they have, in exile, created these incredible schools that are really a model for the world. So this film shows that, and it's a very emotional film, and it's largely children telling their story. So I would encourage anyone and everyone who's interested in world peace and compassion and social justice to see this film. It is a life changer.
So what is your association with the film? Any particular?
Yes, I've been involved working, again, my name is Mark Fredesdorf. I was an administrator with the American Embassy School in New Delhi in the mid-90s. And I began working with the TCB schools ever since that time, which I will continue to do until my dying day and until Tibet is free. I met Seth McClellan, filmmaker who, ironically, we both live in the same community in Chicago. And one thing led to another, and he wanted to make this film. That's his background, and he did a really excellent job.
Okay, thank you very much, Mark.
Thanks so much for coming, you guys. Enjoyed the movie, and thanks so much for coming. And minutes afterwards, and then we can also talk outside and on the mezzanine too. And, thank you.
Thank you very much. And so we'll be starting others before self in about a minute. I just want to double check, does everybody have a ballot? If you do not have a ballot, please.
And self. It means help others. Other men and other peoples and poor men.
Others before self.
Others before self.
Other before yourself.
Wanted to make a comment. First thing first, I was so amazed by the movie. You have actually covered almost every aspect of TCV. Let me introduce you to myself first. My name is Tencher. I was born in TCV, raised in TCV, worked in TCV. My mom actually worked in TCV as a nurse. So I actually have a first-hand knowledge of Tibetan refugee kids coming from Tibet to India. I grew up, looking at my mom taking care of the kids, and I have seen Tibetan refugee kids coming with frostbites, in such bad conditions. So the first thing first, I'm amazed at how the kids were talking English. English is, as far as I remember, I've never talked in English I've spoken in English until I went to college. In TCV, everything is taught in Tibetan. English is like a kind of a second language for us. And these kids did amazing job talking in English. And I feel like, they wanted to tell something, but because of the language barrier, they couldn't relay what they wanted to tell us. But they did such a great job. And I've seen so many videos of TCV documentaries, but you have actually covered a lot of aspects of TCV, from the baby home to the hostels, to the kitchen, everything. Thank you so much.
Limited time, please, for 2021.